6230. As usual, let's try to make some analysis on Bitcoin and gold, okay, and see what's happening around, right? So hope everyone's doing good. Okay, let me quickly send the link to all the people in my group. Okay, those who have not joined the group, I have a free group link on my description box. You can join over there. All right, so yep, let me on test the voice. All right, hope everyone's doing good. Yep, guys, hope everyone's doing good, huh? All right, let's go, guys, let's go. So opportunities are always there, guys. Don't rush for the opportunities. Opportunities will be always there. All right, guys. So welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to the Crypto Analyst channel. This is Wednesday sessions. We'll see what's happening around. Right. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Okay. Welcome, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Yeah. Without wasting time, let's go and try to analyze the Bitcoin. Right. So this was the setup that I've given in the VIP group. All right. So VIP group, I gave this setup, right? So yep, that was almost 0.1 percentage, all right, move that was done. All right, though it was slow, but it was done, right? The VIP group. All right, those who have not joined VIP group, if you wanted to join, just text me over there, right? I will be always there. Let me clear all those off, right, guys? All those off, right? Yep, that was from the VIP group. So where do you think, guys, Bitcoin is moving up or down? Hey, Saibullah, hi, Saibullah, hi, hope you are doing good, Saibullah. All right, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, and Saturday and Sunday there will be education purpose, all right, lots of fun, all right, and you are going to learn a lot, okay, guys. All right, so let's go and check on 4 hours time frame what's happening. Okay, so on a 4 hours time frame, we have seen that price have been aggressively breaking out from so many resistance. Right now, it is at the just going for the small retest on 4 hours time frame. If you check it, the trend wise, right? But if you check the trend wise from the lower side, okay, the uprising trend that you see, right? Let's try to draw one resist trend over here. So exactly, Bitcoin is facing on a 4 hours time frame. There is a big resistance from the top, and there is a support at the bottom. All right, so average support you have on the Bitcoin for now. All right, guys, so this is the whereby the Bitcoin is slowing down. All right, so what you think? One possibilities can be Bitcoin move up, breaking out from these levels. One possibilities can be coming down. All right, so these are the two possibilities, so everyone knows, right? There are two possibilities on Bitcoin right now. All right, let's see. Okay, so those who are in VIP group also, you can join over here, okay, on the live stream, so that you guys can understand clearly what's happening around. All right. So if you check on the 15 minutes time frame, all right, so Bitcoin have broken out on the upper zone, upper side, right? And it is on the retest phase on the upper side, right? So maybe this can be a big retest that's happening on the Bitcoin right now. All right, so so right now the Bitcoin is, you have one support. If Bitcoin happens to break below this support, you can expect the price to move all the way down, right? Hi CF the Dawn, glad, yeah, happy to see you too. Okay, happy to see you too, right? So if the Bitcoin happens to break below this support after the retest, the Bitcoin is coming around $71,000. So right now the Bitcoin is at the critical level, okay, according to my analysis. Though this is not a financial advice, guys, make your own research before you move in or out of the trade, all right? So and this is the level whereby Bitcoin is currently moving, all right? So if you see there is a breakout from these levels on the downside, and this is on the retest. Okay, so right now the Bitcoin is squeezed in the middle. Do you think this is going to form a triangle in these levels? Something like this can be expected, right, guys? Where is it? My triangles can be expected, right? So maybe play around in this zone because there as right now there is no move. Okay, so maybe play around in this zone and move on the one side. All right, so that can be possibilities, but what we are going to do is we are counting on the structures. All right, this is on 15 minutes, guys. All right. So we opened one long position from here and this from this levels and fulfill this one on the VIP group. Okay, right now Bitcoin is just like yesterday is try to burst on one side, right, guys? It's trying to burst on the one side, right? So let's see which side it burst. So if you try to check the setups clearly, all right, so this is the level of support, the resistance that you have, all right, and this is the level of resistance you're the support you are having, the resistance you are having, all right. If Bitcoin happens to move below this one, most probably the Bitcoin is dropping so down, right? If it happens to move above this one, we'll just long and go upper side. Okay, so that is what my analysis says for now. All right, so broken down. Okay, small breakout was there on the 15 minutes time frame resistance. We can see, all right, either the price have to jump out on upper zone. The first TP is going to be this one, and the final TP on the upper side. All right, so this is what we can expect. All right, and if the price happens to break down, it must firstly it might like to come to this level and do the small retest in this level once more and boom down, right? So these two possibilities that we can expect from these levels right now on the Bitcoin, guys. All right, hi, please see the gold. All right, Alta, that's up. All right, today nice, perfect, sir. All right, okay, you took it. Zabula from the VIP, you took the perfect the trade. All right, because like I was a little bit busy, but in fact I managed my time to provide I always provide you all my time. All right, so VIP they are getting they are getting setups all the time every day, right? So they make some dollars. All right, okay, those who are interested to join VIP, you just text me up for the number above, right? You'll get. Okay, so for now breaking above, most probably we'll be looking into the longer positions, right? And breaking downside right now it's just a trend. Okay, trend, uprising trend. Okay, it had broken down as well and broken out. Okay, broken out from the upper side. Yep, so far so cool, guys. So there was a small breakout on upper side, just sideways move the Bitcoin is giving right now. Okay, so both the SL for the long and short has a high possibilities to remove it. All right, okay, this is not a financial advice though, guys. All right, those who are taking it as a financial advice, I'm sorry for you. All right, 1 2 3, most probably, let's see anyways. Okay, so we are not biased, let's see which side it breaks. Okay. If it breaks down, well and good. If it breaks out upper side, well and good, right? So let's see. Okay, meanwhile we'll be above this level. I'll be looking forward for the long positions. Below this level, I'll be looking for the short positions. Okay, that's just you have to remember. All right, that's what you have to remember, guys. All right, so right now the Bitcoin is on total sideways move, so maybe squeeze one side and try to move in another direction. So whenever it moves out, we'll just try to place it our position. All right, so this is not financial advice. I'm not saying you to buy or sell in this position right now. You cannot buy nor you can sell in these levels, right? Nor you can buy, neither you can sell. Okay, so W pattern formed in this levels, right? So which is a sideways move. Okay, So if it happens to move up and break out above this level, that is going to be long position for me. But if it happens to get a go up, firstly, maybe it would like to create something like this, get rejection from again and again from the top, I just move downside and take these levels, right? So this is what's going to be. Okay, so I'm not giving you the setup like buy or sell directives, but you should make yourself like you should analyze yourself, make your own research, because there's not a financial advice, right? So gold. Okay, Zaibullah, you took it good. Gold. Gold. Let's check gold, right, guys? Those who are interested in gold, let's be equivalent, right? So फिरता मैं फिरूं. So what I told you guys on gold, this is one level and that is another level. All right, whereby the gold have to reach it. Okay, so on gold, what you see, guys, what you see is, let me clear this off so you will understand totally. All right, so you won't have confusions on the gold. All right, small things. All right, so this is what you see on the 4 hours time frame, the gold. All right. There is one retest on the top at this level for the gold. Okay, I mean the resistance staying in front of at this level. All right, right now the gold is on the rising stage, right? One thing you know, right? So something like this broken out and it is like rising over here. Okay, so if you try to draw one trend in this level, you will understand what's really happening in the current market, right? So most probably if you try to draw from these levels, this is what you see. Yep. So right now the gold have broken down from these levels, right? This level was broken and it is retesting these levels, right? Retesting these levels. Okay, so most probably gold firstly move down a bit, right, till this level 4700, and if it happens to give a good demand or till this level and try to rise up again once more, and if it happens to break down, you just place your short position over here and just short the gold, right, if it happens to form structure like this, right? So another thing is on gold, what we can see is there is an small breakout on this resistance from the top, right? So what you do, if the price happens to move up directly, we can just place long position above these levels and not this level, a little bit upper side, right? And try to trace this one. That will be 2%, 2 point something percentage. All right, if it happens to break out on upper side. Okay, so this is on 4 hours, guys. All right, so let's go back to the small time frame and check it out what's happening with the gold. All right, hi guys, like trade. All right, kush baby. Hi guys, hello, welcome guys, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. Okay, so I'm sorry. Yep, so right now the gold is also in the retest phase. Okay, so big thing comes over here. All right, so if you try to be particular in this levels, all right, if you try to go particular in this level, so small retest happening in this level, small rising trend. Okay, so if the gold happens to break down below this one, right, go over here and get rejection once more. Okay, and get rejection, then you can plan for your short and come till this $4,728, right? So that's going to be 1 point. Okay, if it wants to come directly, I will let it flow. I won't be able to do anything over here. But if it happens to break above rather than getting rejection from here, I would love to long from this levels and go till this level. Simple, right, guys? Just simple. Okay, if it breaks out from this block, you just place your long position and go till over here. Okay, and if it gets rejection from here, after this, if you get something like this structure, just short it and come till this levels, right? The down levels. Okay, so for now, immediate short time frame, the $4,862 can be checked, and for the shots 4,729 can be seen. All right, so over here you cannot do anything. If it forms the structure like this and gets rejection from the top, when it comes down just below this block, I'll be opening my chart and just going down, right? But if it comes down and doesn't break below this levels and try to move up, I'll just open a long position from this level and just move in, right? So that's what you can see on the gold right now, okay, on this 15 minutes time frame. Okay. 9,571. So Bitcoin not giving any moves for now. You cannot do anything over here right now, nor you can buy, nor you can sell in the zone. Okay, it's still inside this box, right? So sideways box, there is a total sideways move. You cannot do anything right in this box yet. Okay, if it happens to pass above this block, I might like to go for the long position. All right, block. Okay, but if it happens to get rejection and come down, then I might like to think for the shots, right? My shot will come. If it forms the structure like this, I can short it from the top only. All right, but if it doesn't gives the structure, then I might like to wait a little bit more. On this position, I cannot do anything for the gold as well as for the BT, right? This is what we can see, guys. So nothing much complicated. The more complicated you make, the more complicated the trade will be. All right. The easier you treat the trade, the easier it will be. All right. So this is the logic you have to understand, right? Guys, so far so cool. Okay. Let's wait. Let's get let the price get out of this box. Okay. Figure out this levels, right? So if you check like this, so price is trying to break out as well, it is trying to break down as well. So just like yesterday, it's happening just like yesterday it was a pump. So today, should you expect the pump or dump, right? One big things will come, either that should be a dump, all right, either that will be pump, dump or pump, right? So after getting a rejection from top, I would love to short from this level. Okay, if it gets rejection and come all the way down, right? But as far as I know, okay, in the sideways, not doing anything is more profitable than getting inside the trades. All right, so this is what you see. Yep. There is a small structure, but that is incomplete. Okay, the W pattern you can see is incomplete. All right, incomplete. It should be till over here. It tests from this level, right, and come down. So coming down directly, I won't be able to short this level because my stop loss is going to be very big. All right, but if I get the chance from this level, I would love to short it because it will be small, right? So this is what it is. Okay, right now the small W pattern is formed. Okay, incomplete one, that is also incomplete one, and firstly market is trying to take the liquidation from the downside. Maybe that can be a fake out for the shots, right? Never knows. Retested it. Okay, that is good shot. Okay, good shot. Good shot. The level was from here. Let it move a little bit. Okay, It broke down for now. Lovely. I'm not taking the shots, okay, guys, because my stop loss was becoming too big. All right, I let it go. All right, I let it go for now. So might be breaking down below this level, you know, the price, expected price can be $71,800. Right. So that was a big shot. I just wait for a few more minutes. Okay. Not reacting at this level yet. I'm going back to 1 minute time frame to analyze what's happening. All right. Okay. Broke below rather than going up. Firstly, it came down. I'm letting it go right now. This is on 1 minute time frame. So there was a drop of 0.55 percentage. Big drop. Big drop. It broke down, gave a retest, and came all the way down. All right. Good for short yet. Okay. Right now it's all bearish. No bullish yet. Let me clear those off, right? So it won't be confusing for you all. Big shot, but I didn't take this shot yet. All right. Well and good if it moves directly down for the shorter side. I let it go right now, guys. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, guys. Okay. Firstly, I'm letting it to go. Okay. The downside just broke out from the sideways move. Okay. One, two. Let's see how it works. Okay, I'm not reacting any trade right now. I'm just letting it go. Market falling and letting it go is the biggest patience you need to have. All right. Some people they try to jump in and out within from the middle. That is not good habits. All right, guys. Let it go. Letting it go is the biggest thing. There was a drop of 0.58 percentage. All right. Why I let it go? One thing is when the W pattern was formed, the formation of the W pattern is incomplete over here. If it was going over here and coming down and getting rejection from top, I would have shorted from this level only and come down all the way. But what I saw is there is a W pattern formation, okay, incomplete one, all right, that is also incomplete one, and from the lower level only it came down all the way, which means something is there whereby market is cooking for you all right, something you can expect, something is there whereby the market is cooking you around, all right. Broke out, broke down, okay. Two things have happened in this level. It broke down from the rising trend, right? It broke down from the rising trend. As long as you are below this resistance, this market is right now proving as a bearish. But if it happens to get out of this box, my trend box, and clear this off, right? If it forms swing over here, well and good, right? But if it happens to go up and clear this off, the market will turn bullish again, okay. So this is what you have to know, all right. As long as you are below this average line and this my resistance tends support resistance line, you are below this level, you are still bearish, okay. So that is why bearish, because you are on the retest phase. Price have broken out and small retest was given whereby we have entered our long position, all right. The small retest was given and this is the second retest happening at this level, okay. So what you can expect is as long as you are below this my yellow line, you're still bearish, okay. But if the market happens to get out of this trend support, trend resistance, the yellow line that I have, then market will turn out to be bullish, okay. And totally bullish when it gets, if it happens to pass above this one, this is going to be totally bullish, all right. So this is what you can expect at this level. So if I have to long it, all right, I would love to long above this level and go all the way upper side with my, if I have to long it, okay. I will take that 1.48 percentage, and if it breaks above that one, well and good, I will trace it all the way upper side, okay. And something like this. So right now, if you happen to check the trend on the 5 minutes time frame, the price have came down from this average line. It is in the retest phase. If you check on the 5 minutes trend, okay, not the bigger one, if you check the immediate trend of the 5 minutes, this is what you see, all right. If the price happens to move up, well and good, right. Most probably I would love to short if it gets faked out from this level. Well, let me show you, all right, so you guys don't get confused. So this is the one resistance. All right, now you're for this level of resistance, trend resistance, this is the retest for the bull. But for this breakdown, this is the retest for you all, the bigger cycle, okay. So most probably I will be expecting price to retest this level once more today, yeah. So today if I happen to this one, usually people long from this level also, but that is going to be a moderate trade. Why? Because anytime price will get down. All right, but if the price happens to play something like this, break out from this trend and breaks out, I would love to long it and take this target of 1.22 percentage. All right, so let's see what it happens. Let's go back. Hi guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi. So overall trend, the quick move you will get above this level only towards this one. Okay, but around this zone, maybe it will try to play around, fake you around. Okay, so let's go precise. Okay, let's go precise. This is not good, but let's go precise. Patience, guys. You cannot short or long in this zone, right? But most probably, I would love to see the retest on $74,773. But if it happens to come down directly, well and good. Hope that is not very quick candle. If it was giving you all the position from here, it would be lovely one going to all those levels. BIPs, get ready. If it happens to move down, again, price has a higher chances of moving below this trend, right? Right now it's forming a small trend, right? If it happens to move below this one, then again the price have a chance of bearish. But as long as price is reacting above this trend, well and good. Small time frame, you can expect price to move up. All right. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay. धीरे धीरे प्यारों का बढ़ना है। So many things over here. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Gold, okay. Gold. You can expect for gold as well to rise this level if it breaks out an upper zone, because this is a retest phase happening in this gold. Okay, you can expect price to reach this level firstly. Okay, but sometimes it can go down also. But what you have to do, you wait for the price to break above this level. If you want to go for the quick scalping, you might like to go gold like this till this level, right? But if it's not breaking above this level, till gold have broken down from the trend, and right now it's trying to rise up in the trend once more, right? Maybe you'd like to go till above this level, or if it gets rejection from this level, or what you have to do is on the gold you wait for this position so that you will get the big positions from here. If it breaks out, you take the scalping on upper side. If it breaks down with the structures formation, you take the shorter side and come all the way downside, right? This is the level whereby the gold will be decided. All right, gold, guys. All right, from this level it will be decided whether the price should, if it happens to break above this my green block, the gold has high chances, according to my analysis, has high chances to go up. But if it gets rejection, you might like to see the price around $4,720. All right, so why I cannot short it from here, okay, though there is a small breakout, because my stop loss is going to be very big. Okay, this is the simple logic, you can take it. If you take it from here, your stop loss is going to be very big, you're risking a high amount, right? If you happens to take short from the top, then your stop loss will be very small, right? After the retest getting passed, right? And you can short it, okay? But it's not 100% sure that the price will form this structure or not. But if the structure is formed in this way, it will be a beautiful one. Okay, if you want to go for the big things, right? So this is not a financial advice though, guys. Okay, this is not a financial advice. All right. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना. If the Bitcoin happens to come down, and if it happens to pass through the retest, then Bitcoin will again fall very big. But as long as it's not giving a retest, it's all good for the bull side, what I feel. All right, according to my analysis. This is not a financial advice though, guys. Okay, don't take it as a financial advice, guys. All right, remember, this is not a financial advice. Okay. Coming down like this, and if it happens to get rejection, might be a very good shot. But breaking down from this trend, it's okay, still okay, right? It should be okay. Let's see. Anyways, the market right now just came out of the sideways move. All right, getting a shrink. Okay, let's see what happens, right? Retest zone. Gold deciding from this level will be best one. Okay, so that you will get a good decision over here. This is just trying to form trend. If the trend is formed upside, it won't give you a direct profit, but it will play around like this and might like to give one side breakout. Okay, the upper side, well and good. If it gets rejection from here, come all the way down, you might, two things you can expect in a gold is $4,726 or $4,864. All right, so most probably if it comes down, well and good. All right, but if I want to enter in, I would be deciding from this level. All right, gold. Okay, BT gave a small breakout and came all the way down. All right, most probably BT is targeting these levels. retest for the long side. If it gets failed, price will get dumped. If it gets passed, again it will try to play around in this space, I guess. Breaking down is not problem for bulls. Okay, breaking down is not a problem. Actually, if you see the overall view below this is still a bearish. Okay, this is just a pullback, but if it happens to break above this one, above level, might rise up as well, right? This is not a financial advice, guys. Okay, don't take it as a financial advice. Okay. Hi guys, hello. Hi, welcome guys, welcome. If it breaks down below this one, gets to rejection, this will be the level whereby BT will be retesting again. But if it remains above, well and good. And again, rise up to this level. Mm. Mhm. Gold is still stuck over here. Deciding from this level will be beautiful for the gold, those who are gold lovers. If it breaks out upper zone, I would have long it. If it breaks down, I would have short it. All right, so simple. Breaking out above this level will be a quick scalping on upper side. Very small. Yep. Okay, it's breaking down, which means these bulls are at risks right now. It's giving risks. This SL is at risks. Trying to create small resistance right now. Solid candle formed or yep, not yet. Nothing on the gold. Gold got nothing to do it. If I was there, most probably I would love to take decision for the gold from this level. Okay, guys, this level. Over here, I cannot short it, I cannot long it. All right, this becomes too risky. Okay, too risky zone. Chiao Fabrice. Fabrice, welcome guys, welcome those who are watching me for the first time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, this is not a financial advice though. Okay, make your own research before you react. Okay, guys, before you react, you need to make your own decisions, right? Then only you can get in or out, right? So, not giving any financial advice right now, all right? Mm-hmm. 0.29 versus 2. So you think Bitcoin can break above these levels? This level is so important for now. This level is very important. One, two. This is not financial advice. My analysis says that Bitcoin can go back to this level to retest once. This is not a financial advice, guys. Okay, so make your own research. Okay, guys. To go up, Bitcoin needs to break above these levels. Okay, these levels, because that is a previous support one, whereby Bitcoin turn out to be bearish. Two things, what things are supporting for the bull is the incomplete formation of the structure at this level. Okay, this is not a financial advice though, guys. It might be bear or bull, I don't know, right? But the incomplete formation of structure I can see over here, it should have gone till this level, and coming down will be a beautiful shot for me, but it never did this levels. Okay, so firstly this level will be tested. Okay, and if it breaks out, well and good. If it gets rejection from here, Bitcoin can again go for a big dump, right? So simple. And another thing is on this retest, big retest zone, I'm expecting one retest in the zone. So this is aggressively towards the bulls for me. Okay, make your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, make your own research. All right, I'm targeting first target to 74,160 to $70, and another targeting is like 74,700. Okay, not a financial advice, guys. Don't take it as a financial advice. I'm just giving my analysis for you all. So make your own research. Okay, guys, make your own research and try to figure it out, right? So bulls or bears, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If BT is not able to clear this off, BT will get a huge rejection and dump all the way. But if it happens to pass through, first level will be this one, and if it passes above this resistance, good one. Okay, simple. Astrology. The chart astrology is trend analysis with the breakout strategy. Okay, trend breakout is already there. We are just waiting for the horizontal breakout, horizontal resistance breakout. All right, so this is what it is. Mhm. Okay, big dump. This is just the retest, okay, guys, retest on the shorter side. So we are following the retest. Okay, this level is following the retest. All right. So many things here and there. Breaks out 4,000. It shouldn't be that hard to break up above this level. What I feel is Let me keep this way. One quick shrink happened in this level. This is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, don't get confused with a bigger time frame. All right, don't get confused with a bigger time frame. This is 1 minute time frame. Point to move given. Many things over here. So far, so good, guys. Not getting bored because, like, I have few restriction. I cannot speak so many things. All right, gold. I would be going for this levels, but if you are following the retest, same thing we are doing on the BT also. This did one retest, right? So if it breaks out, it needs to go for another retest in this level, right? So that's the thing. Okay. One, two, three, four. And if it passed through, directly boom. But if it gets rejection again, might like to come down, right? Short are getting squeezed, passed through these levels. If I was there, I would be booking my profit level one from this level. Okay, if I was entering to this position, all right, I would be booking my profit one from these levels, right? Now my W patterns structure wing is filled because like I didn't open my short. Why? Because this was missing. What was missing for me? It was missing. Mm, like it should be going up to retest this level once more and coming down would be a beautiful shot for me, all right? But what it did, it directly went down. So it's no confidence, no complete structure for me. So I couldn't short this, all right? Now it's coming down to fill up that one and we have another retest level if it breaks out on upper zone, right? Retest for this level of resistance. Shouldn't pass below. Passing below is okay, but when it goes up and comes down below this one, then again bearish. Horizontal support. Excuse me. Pumped 0.31 percentage for now. $74,137. I would be booking, if with my analysis, I would be booking one profit over here and moving my SL to the entry, and again moving up. If it goes directly up, if it gets come down, my SL at entry will be fill up, right? So something like that I trade it. Okay guys, so that's how I do it. Okay. That's how I do it. Trading with me is easier, right guys? You just see all the analysis. Not a financial, in fact, a financial advice, in fact. Okay guys, not a financial advice. I'm never here to give you all the financial advice. All right, pass through this level. Mr. Dragon, times for the YouTube. Yeah, usually I come on when how just in the, like, usually I come before 5 hours, almost 4 hours before on the normal days. But today I became a little bit late, okay, because like I was having some work and I had to go over there. And yeah, if you guys need a VIP group, I have there also in the VIP groups. Okay, you can just text me and the group over the number over there, right? So you get access with my, that's just a fees. I have kept small fees. Okay, that is just my single trades fee. All right, very minimum as possible. You get a good instruction signals with video explanations. Okay, everything will be explained on video. Then you get something like that. You will be trading, you'll be feeling something like you're trading on the live. Okay, so okay, any move I give, if there is opposite move I give to you all, right? So you can text me on the number over there. Yeah, I have a free group also, you can join over there. I have a link in the description box, you just join over there. And but less information on the free group. All right, so if I was there, I would be booking one profit from this level and moving my SL to the entry and letting it to flow this trade. All right, that's how I do. Okay, I book my profit level one from here because this is the resistance that you have. And rest, if it goes up, I'll be holding up. Okay, so now if it pass above, now I will be checking on this resistance, right? And this resistance, right? And you have one on the top, right? So simple guys. I'll be booking one profit over here. Around 50% partial profit would be booked over here, and just spatials. All right, so that's how I do. Okay, you make profit from here, make some fees, go for VIP. After VIP, you go for the mentorship. After that, you just be independent trader. That's all. All right. I'm ready to share you all the information that I have. Nothing to hide. And the life I'm giving you all. All right. I have nothing to hide. All right. Someone wants to check my things, PNL. I showed them. They're okay. They never speak back now. But no, I'm not aggressive towards the finance things. I just love trading with the setups. When setup works, it's very beautiful. Yep. I need to clear this off. All right. Makes no sense for now. All right. Do you think Bitcoin can break above this? Shorter getting done with their stop loss. You know why I didn't enter this short position, right? If there is no structure, there is no use entering it. So you get the profits, right? Once you will get profit, but next time you will just end up blowing your accounts. Whenever I trade, I book one profit at this level and move my SL to the entry. All right. So this is how I trade. Okay. I book some profit from here, move my SL to entry, and I stay safe. Then I let it flow. All right. And wherever it goes, Bahan. Okay. That can be a sale as well. Okay. Now structure is fulfilled. Right? Okay, guys. So structure is fulfilled. The W structure that was missing at this level and it was going down, I would have gone for the beautiful shots, right? But it came all the way down and came up to fill up this levels. All right. So even if it price moves down, no problem for me. Okay, because like I would be booking one profit from here. I will be moving my SL to entry. If it comes down, my SL to entry will be gone, but you moved 50 to 60% profit from here, right? So that will be a beautiful one, right? So not a financial advice, guys. This is not a financial advice. I'm giving you all, just helping you all to analyze it, right? That's all. No financial advice. From this level, it will be decided. Okay, now what we do, let it form completely, right? Now this is my trend, right? Breaking below first time, it's okay. Second time, one, two, three. Third time drop, it will go without retest. That time it will be risky. Okay, third time drop, it will go without retest until and unless you are not coming out from this my green block. You can be still bullish. All right, and coming out from this block, this support block, and going up and again passing through that one will turn this bullish move towards the bearish move. Okay, that's the thing. So after this live streaming session, again I have mentorship with peoples, right? So I am giving the mentorship also those who requires, those who want to go for the long term journey, right? I'm giving for them. All right, not a financial advice. If you are not interested, it's okay. Never force for the trading. This is for you. You should invest for yourself. If you won't invest yourself, who will invest? Rest, your father and mother is not going to invest for you. Come on, guys. You should invest yourself. This is not a financial advice, though. Okay. What you think? Breakout or just drop from this level? This is the question, right? Breakout or drop from this level of resistance. This is a trend resistance that you have, and you have one resistance from the top. Right now, you have not seen the moves yet. You'll see the move only after breaking this one. Bigger move, maybe can expect, right? But if it's not able to pass through this levels and this level, then still BTC is still on the bearish side. For now, this is just a pullback you are experiencing. All right, this is not a bull. This is just a retest that's happening, pullback trend. Okay, you'll experience real bull on the 1 minute time frame after breaking above these levels. You'll see a quick price moving, but Bitcoin should break above this level. If it's not able to break, then again it will be still in the bearish. Breaking out from this trend and breaking out from these levels, it's going to be a totally beautiful candle, beautiful candles. You are going to see it. All right. Hey Khan, hello Govind, बॉस मुझे जाते हो या भूल गया? हाँ हम जानता हूँ आपको, अभी भी याद है आपका. Govind, long time back, right? So because of some conditions I couldn't. All right. खान, आपका फैमिली कैसा है? सब ठीक है? हाँ, everyone खुश है, ठीक ही है. Okay, everyone खुशी है, सभी ठीक ही है. Now it's breaking below. Okay, so breaking below and going up again and breaking below this level again, that will turn the Bitcoin to the bearish, and it will move bearish move, and it will throw the levels till this level, right? But if it's not, if it's directly coming down, I don't know, right? But most probably it should go up, and coming down it will be a beautiful retest for this levels, right? But safer for those who are holding from here, right? Because you booked your profit and moved your SL to the entry, rest you're letting it to flow, right? Same for the VIPs as well, right? Boss, now in supply. Yes, it is still in supply. Advantage that the trade is taken from the bottom, because you booked profit 50 to 60% profit from here. rest letting it flow. But if it breaks, you will get a beautiful candles. If it's not break, it will come down and remove yourself, right? So that's the thing. Okay. Small drop, small playing around. Okay, now it is turning out bearish. Bearish for short term, maybe it will stuck over here, or maybe it will pass through. Okay, bearish now. This is turning out bearish. All right, now it is bearish because what I said, broke down, went up, and again breaking down will turn the market bearish. So if I was entering my short, I would have entered from this level, okay, and come to and wait for the price to break below this one. So breaking below this one is going to be a good bearish move towards the downside. All right, but if it's not able to break, again the price would must like to may like to right play around in this trend again. It's not able to break, right? Again play around in this trend once more, right? If it's able to break, then those who are holding, when I'm holding, I see the price breaking down below this levels, I just close my position. All right, but as far as possible, it is not breaking below this one, it's good yet, right? Because what I said, the price can again has a chance of going up, going all right, though this is on supply zone, right? This is on supply zone. Breaking below this one, I will be closing my position for the long. Breaking below this support, my big green support, right? It's coming down. All right, let it clear off, then I'll be closing my position for the longs, right? Because this is my horizontal support that I have marked. Okay, previously that was a resistance. All right, now this is support. Okay, so breaking below this one, those who have booked profit and holding from the sell, well and good. No more greedy, I just close my position and let it flow, right? Downside, otherwise still good enough, right? 5 minutes please, 5 minutes, you want to check the 5 minutes? Dot pro, yes. Bahan Lagu, it's dropping like crazy. So market is totally on bearish side, okay, but we are holding for the long. All right, we are holding for the long. I'm just helping you all to make analysis, helping you to go for the analysis, okay? Nothing much financial advice, guys, okay? Don't take it as a financial advice, okay? So it didn't come below this one, I didn't close, right? Coming below this one, or what I usually do is I keep my stop loss in the zone, right? So after breaking, because it broke down, right, and this is my support, I keep my stop loss in the zone and let it flow, right? This is on 5 minutes, okay? Bahan Lagu, this is on 5 minutes, yes. Okay, so I need to remove this one because market try to form one trend at this level. Market coming down and crossing this level, it will be totally bearish and it will throw you all out for the longs and drop down. But if it happens to pass through this level, Bitcoin will test this level, okay? And if it pass through this one, this is the next level to be tested, and if it keeps passing it, you might like to see the Bitcoin around $74,700. That is also possible, okay? But if it gets rejection from the bottom only, no chance, right? For the Bitcoin, it needs to drop all the way down, right? No chance for the Bitcoin. Okay, I'm just helping you all to make analysis, helping you just make your own research and accordingly act. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, this video is not for this live session, is not for the financial advice though. Okay, guys, kindly understand. Okay. If it pass below this my block, I will be closing my long position and I'll be going home and sleeping, guys. बॉस my question देख लो ठीक है हाँ 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 आप अच्छा इंडिकेटर बताओ जो हेल्प लो guys, don't use indicator. Best thing is you learn yourself. Okay, that is the only thing I can give advice in this live streaming sessions. Okay, don't use indicators. Okay, so if you have own setup, you might like to make it your setup into indicator and help you yourself, but as far as I know, don't make your indicators. All right, I mean, like, don't follow the indicators. If I will use the indicator, I will get the trend also by the indicator itself, right? But this will just block your mind. All right, block your mind. Okay, rest rather you learn yourself how to draw the trends. Okay, that is going to be beautiful one. Okay, if you try to go for the indicators, then it will block your mind, you, because like, without learning, don't expect anything in trading, guys. You should learn. Okay, or you just come on the live stream and just watch and make your own researches, right? So that's going to be one, right? One thing. Yep. Okay, now turning bearish, guys. This is going to be bearish. Bearish now. If I would have shot it, I love to shot it, but I'm not shotting. All right, guys. I'm letting it flow. I wait for my position, stop loss at this position, and letting it flow. All right. My stop losses in the zone. Okay. I get out of the trade after it hits my stop loss, and yeah. Now getting rejection from the top, you're getting rejection from the W pattern, right? Which means you are going for the bearish move. Now you might like to expect, if it passed through below this one, you might like to expect this level and this level on the Bitcoin. Okay, if this block is cleared, until and unless this block is not cleared, I'm not moving anywhere. Now I need to get out of this trade, and this is converted towards the shots. Okay, so this is how I do, guys. Okay, so if you wanted to learn more, I'm always there. Text me over the number in my screen. Okay, that's all, guys. Now I'm out of this trade, booked my 50 to 60%, and I got small profit from here. I'm happy. I'm done. That's how I do. Okay, guys. Yep, that is possible, maybe. Okay, but this is not a financial advice though, guys. All right, so we'll come back tomorrow. Right now, gold is not able to pass through. If it is able to pass through this level, might like to see again pump on the upper side, right? Okay, now my long position will come only after breaking above this level, because this have acted as a strong resistance, right? So if it happens to go up and clear this off, then only I can open my long position. All right, so that is how I do. Okay, guys. All right. Now it's all bearish. Bearish can come if I was there holding this bear move from here. then I can hold till this level. I'll be booking my profit one over this level, okay, and holding till over here, right? And accordingly I plan my setups, guys. This is how I do, guys, okay. But if the price is not breaking below this level and again trying to aggressively move up, going up from this level, I would love to long it. And because already one, this is the, I mean, like, this is the resistance that a Bitcoin have identified for now on the shorter time frame, right? And if it is able to pass through that one, which means something is there coming in, right? That's how I do, guys. Until and unless the position is not coming in your zone, you shouldn't be reacting, right? If it comes in your side, then you might like to react. So the retest is complete, guys, okay. But one retest is left till 74,770. Maybe it would like to drop down first and go up and clear this off, right? Next time, we never knows, okay. So this is how it goes, okay, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay, let's see what happens, right? Over here, few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, I will spend more and I will just go. Okay, if it gives a big drop, well and good. If it's not giving, then going up, I would love to long from this level once more and jump in. Maybe that can be just a retest that's happening for the long, right? Never knows, right? Donjo begins. All right. Hi, brother. Hi. Hello. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to join the group, I have a group in the description box. All right, you can just join. If you need any help, just text me on the WhatsApp or Telegram. All right. So if you need a mentorship, I'm always there. If you want to join a VIP group, that's always there, right? So accordingly, you get the informations what's happening in the market. Yep. I'm not taking short because market has tried to fake out once. Okay, so even if it goes down, let it go. Okay, I won't mind it, let it flow, opportunity will come. But if it comes on our side, we just take in the longs. All right. If it wants to drop, it might like to drop till this level. Yep. Firstly, okay, then if it wants to drop more, maybe down like that. All right. So first is 73,300, $430 is coming to this level according to the trend analysis. All right, this is coming to this level. But if the Bitcoin is not able to clear this one, and if it gives a good demand, we never knows, the price can again push up. All right, we never knows that. Yep. Small drop given, see what happens. All right, I'm excited to see this price moving. Okay, I'm excited to see this price moving. So almost 0.3 to 0.4 percentage given. All right. They knew where the stop losses were. They knew, right? They knew where the stop losses were. Stop losses at the entry is rightly hit it. Coming down would be this zone. Those who are holding on shorts, those who have shorts, you might like to expect these levels, right? If the price happens to remain below this block, if it passes above this block, high chances again the price is converted towards the bull side again once more. If it gets rejection, well and good. You'll get a quick on a downside. Okay, boom. Right. I'm not taking any trade now. Right. I'll love to trade once it passes through above this level, or if it happens to come down in this levels, right? So this is going to be plan. Let's see what happens in 5 to 10 minutes. So this trade is out with a small profit. That is, we targeted this level, but it did good, couldn't give around 0.42 percentage right now. One, two, three. What you think, guys? Big drop towards this zone. That will be beautiful for the shots, right, guys? If it drops very big till this level, you'll be getting, those who have short position from the top, you'll be getting around 0.9 percentage. Not bad. Okay, because like I don't like to trade back and back. I saw the position from here only. I don't want to trade it. Okay, though we see the opportunities, we don't like to trade it. If you reach to this level, then you are doing great. All right. Okay, guys, if you reach to this level, thank you, Vijay Pal. All right, thank you. If you reach to level that what I have said, then you are doing great, guys. After this, I need to go back to the mentorship program again, so I won't be able to hold over here much. Okay, got to rejection from this level. If it pass through, a long position can come on the gold as well. Passing above this one, bears need to be a little bit careful. All right. So 73 to 81, 69 to 81, 70 to 81, and next 81 to 58, 58 to bull run. Wow. We want a bull run, right, guys? On the Bitcoin. We want hello, Snook. Hi, hi. So for us, bull run or bear run, scalping all the time. So doesn't make much difference, but for the long holders, right? So it makes much differences. Okay. Those who are scalping, not much differences. Okay. Hey, Matt Johnson. Sonu Gulia, hello, hi, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon 30. All right, we're watching at the levels. All right, whereby if the Bitcoin happens to pass above this level, I might like to long. Otherwise, for shots, I'm not taking in. Might be giving a very big drop till this levels. All right, might expect this levels. All right, because I'm done with one long. Okay. So need to take rest break, then after that one. All right. Mm-mm. Okay, Johnson, I can see you. I'm adding someone on my VIP group. All right. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, got rejection, couldn't clear this off, right? If it this clears off, Bitcoin can turn into the bullish again. Okay, but the proper pump you can expect from above this level. Okay, but as far as you are below this one, you are good for the shots, bears. All right, as far as you are below this level, you are good for the shots. I want to see a big move today. I can't see any big move today. Why is it so? Is that because of this one? Big move? Hmm. So that was a short position from the top. Those who are holding from here, if I was there, I would be opening short from this levels, right? So that is 0.32 percentage. Yep. Stations. What qualifies? Where are you from? I'm from Bhutan, brother. I'm from Bhutan, Bitcoin mining country. What qualifies you to be a mentor trading? Nothing. I don't know. Sani. They just failed it and they texted me. That's all. All right. Okay. Nothing financial advice. Okay, guys. Don't think this is a financial advice. All right. Now Bitcoin is dropping down. Well and good. Right. Might expect price towards this zone. Okay. So firstly, Bitcoin needs to, those who are holding in the shots need to clear this off. Right. And if it is clearing this off, then might like to go down. Right. Something like that. Yep. Okay, guys. So I'll be ending over here. Okay. I need to go for another program now. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. We'll text. We'll do few analysis. All right. Those hope that is helping you all out. All right. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow. Okay. Take care. If the Bitcoin, just remember, if the Bitcoin happens to break above this level, then market can be turning towards the bearish, so the bullish, right? So those who are holding on the shots, your stop loss should be above this block, right? Maybe, right? So not a financial advice, make your own research, right? Just have a good time, guys. All right. Hey, oh, okay, it's okay, Zavat. We'll see you tomorrow. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. There is no good move yet on a Bitcoin. Okay. If you need a good boom boom, okay. Yeah, the market needs to be a little bit better, right? Yep. Today market is slow, sideways, little bit sideways from the top, and again drop slowly. The bear pressures are a little bit more than the bulls, I feel. All right. Okay. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Love you all. Take care.